Myths about lash extensions. Myth number 1. All lash extensions look like Groucho Marx's mustache was glued to your eyelashes. Not true. Myth number 2. Strip lashes and magnetic lashes are safer for your eyelashes than extensions. Not true. I've encountered people who have used magnetic lashes before getting extensions and they came in with damaged eyelashes. The latex adhesive for the strip lashes, when you're pulling that out, along even with the magnetic lashes, the magnets, you are pulling on your eyelash hairs. Repeatedly pulling on your lashes to remove your magnets or your latex adhesive, that will cause damage to your lash follicles. You're going to pull out the baby hairs that are still attached to the blood supply. Repeated use will cause permanent lash damage. Myth number 3. You must take breaks to preserve your lashes. No. I have a client that has been with me since January 21st of 2014. Her name is Linda. I nicknamed Linda Drop and Hope. From day one, I would hope that a lash would attach to her eyelashes because they were so tiny. They barely poked out of the follicle. They were probably 2 or 3 millimeters long, very fragile, and practically transparent. All her life, she was never able to wear mascara because mascara would not attach to her eyelashes. And I have been lashing Linda every 3 weeks since 2014. She has no problems with her eyelashes and she's never had to take a break. I can tell you with 100% certainty, when lashes are performed correctly, they will not cause damage to your eyelashes. Myth number 4, all lash technicians can perform the same lash service, meaning every lash technician can perform the classic, the hybrid, the volume, and the mega volume. And Russian volume and whatever other styles there are out there. Not true. Mega volume is a specialty. Regular volume is a specialty. Everybody should be able to do classic lashes. Find a lash technician who specializes in the lash aesthetic that you desire. Don't come to me for mega volume. I don't know how to do it. Never been trained, have zero interest in learning mega volume. I understand why a lot of people like the extra fullness, but I've also met many mega volume people who go in for fills every week because they get gaps in their lashes. Myth number 5, all products are the same. There's a difference between professional grade and non-professional grade. It costs a lot of money for the products that I buy. These are not products that can be replicated by finding them on Alibaba or Amazon or another third-party vendor out there. There are good products out there, but not all products are the same. The reason why all products are not the same, the raw materials are different. The concentrations are different. The preservatives that may be in some of the products are different. If a product needs to be shipped overseas, and we know that we've had problems with ships coming to dock and sitting out in the ocean, how long have they been sitting out there in those container ships? Any questions you have about allergies or retention issues or any other questions you have about lash extensions, drop them in the comments and I'll make a video to answer those. See you in the next video.
Nothing can slow me down. Nothing can slow me down.